How to identify local wildlife by their sounds. Imagine walking through a quiet forest or sitting by a pond and suddenly hearing a strange call or song. How do you figure out which animal is making that sound? Learning to identify local wildlife by their sounds is like tuning into nature's secret language. Animals use sounds for many reasons, like marking their territory, warning others of danger, attracting mates, or coordinating with their group. Each species has its own voice, and recognizing these can open a window into their world. First, you need to understand the types of sounds animals make. Birds sing melodies and calls to defend their space or find a mate. Mammals like wolves or coyotes howl to communicate over long distances. Small creatures such as squirrels or raccoons squeak or chitter to alert others or express excitement. Recognizing whether a sound is a song, a bark, a growl, or a chirp helps narrow down which animal might be nearby. Next, learn the characteristic sounds of common local species. For example, coyotes produce a variety of sounds including howls, yips, and even screams that can sound like a human scream. Their howls often carry across the night, signaling their location or distress. Birds have unique calls. Chickadees make a distinctive chickadee sound, while gray catbirds produce a musical trill mixed with meows. Small mammals like squirrels make high-pitched squeaks or chattering noises, especially when alarmed. Listening carefully to these patterns helps you identify who is making the noise. Using the environment as a clue is also helpful. Many animals are more vocal during dawn and dusk. For example, coyotes are often active at night, and their howls are common then. Birds tend to sing during the day, especially in the morning when they are establishing territory or trying to attract mates. The habitat also influences which animals you might hear. Wetlands, forests, and urban areas each have their own set of vocal residents. Technology can make this process easier. Smartphone apps now analyze bird songs using artificial intelligence, giving instant suggestions based on your recordings and location. Online audio libraries are great for comparing your recordings with known animal sounds. Recording your own sounds and listening to them repeatedly helps you learn and remember specific calls. Over time, your ear will become sharper at distinguishing different species. Pay attention to the purpose behind the sounds. A lone coyote howling might be calling to its pack, while a group howling together signals their presence. Birds sing to defend their territory or attract mates, and alarm calls warn others of predators. Understanding why animals vocalize can help you identify them more accurately. By combining knowledge of the types of sounds, specific patterns, environmental clues, and helpful technology, you can become skilled at recognizing local wildlife by their sounds. This skill not only satisfies curiosity about the natural world but also deepens your connection with the animals living around you. Listening carefully turns every sound into a story waiting to be discovered.